This is a replica of the skeleton of the sauropod dinosaur Apatosaurus, sometimes also had been in the past called Brontosaurus, but then they decided Brontosaurus and Apatosaurus were actually two separate animals, so this is Apatosaurus. It's a representative of the long-necked, gigantic plant-eating dinosaurs, the sauropods, which weighed many, many tons. And one of the pervasive questions about these animals has always been, how did they get so big? How, when you're this big and consequently that heavy, how can you even move around, let alone find enough food? Well, as it turns out, these kinds of dinosaurs had a sort of a secret weapon against weight, and that was that many of their bones, their backbones in particular, were hollow. This is the inside of one of the backbones, one of the vertebrae of these animals, and you can see it's got these two giant cavities inside that in the life of the animal would have been completely filled with air. So the bones of these animals were, at least the backbones of these animals, and occasionally the ribs and occasionally a few of the other bones were filled with air, which saves them many, many, many tons of weight. So even though they're much larger than even things like elephants, they were actually fairly lightweight animals. Still many tons, but not as heavy as you might think they would actually be.